got a nigga, real bitch, fuck, got a nigga, real bitch, give a fuck, got a nigga, real bitch, fuck, got a nigga, fuck, got a fuck, got a nigga, fuck, got a fuck.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I set up my vanity makeup table. So I did get the table from IKEA. I was trying to get like a cheaper DIY version with the Michael's jar set and whatever, but I couldn't use the discount, the coupon code that was on the website. For some reason, they're saying it's not valid for the items that I wanted. So I had to go ahead and just purchase a table from IKEA just because it would have came up to a lot more if I went with the Michael's jar. Also, the mirror that I got it from Amazon. I will put in the description box all the links to the table and the mirror. Also, what else? I feel like I have something else to tell you guys. Do I? No. Anyways, I won't be talking through this video. I will only I'm going to be speeding it up so you guys will only watch me put the table together. But before we get into this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so you are notified whenever I post, and also that like button, and leave all your comments down below. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. had to start recording with my phone just because my camera died. But yeah, this is the controller right here. So if you want to dim it down a little bit, you could do that. Or if you want it to get, you know, brighter, you could do that. I look like a hot mess right now. I'm honestly so tired, guys. From morning, I've been cleaning. I've been doing a lot, and I got in at like 3 this morning. So I'm tired. But yeah, for now, this is pretty much the end of the video. I won't be doing anything else in this video just because this was literally just to set up the table and get it together. I'm probably gonna have like a little IKEA black shelf right there and have like some stuff put up there. I'm gonna try to see if I could put my Chanel frames that I made. I'm going to try to put them over here. Put the IKEA thing right there. I don't know, probably gonna have to get like a little furry rug to put on the ground here, and obviously all this area is going to be clean now. But for now, those are just the garbage from the table. This is what the room is looking like. So this is the first part of the room. I think I'm probably going to be doing like the rest of the room throughout the months coming. I'm trying to see if I can finish it maybe for like I don't know. It probably won't be finished fully for my birthday, but I'm gonna try to do a little bit more for my birthday. And then for the rest, I'll probably finish it like in March, the ending of March pretty much. But for now, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, or if you want me to continue posting more of my, you know, my setting up of my glam room, then let me know and I will definitely continue doing that. Okay, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.
You got it, girl. You got it.
Yo, Smalls, turn up, bro.
You got a baby, now you follow. Baby, and I'm follow. Baby, and I'm follow. Baby, and I'm follow. Now you follow.